How to properly do financial planning, as financial planning is our future investment returns. So, proper financial planning is based on wherein you need to divide your income in 4 parts. The maximum amount, that is 30% of the total income of your month, should be used for the surcharge. Keep another 30% of the amount for the payment of bank loans or liabilities. Next 30% of the amount should be saved for future plannings. And only 10% of the remaining amount should be used for your entertainment. Make sure at least the next 6 months of the cost of home and office should be pre-arranged, so that if you lose your job or there is few months of recession in the business, you will be prepared. There is always a misconception of second home being a great investment. Well, second home is not always an investment. Survey shows that the total interest and expenses of second homes can give an excessive increment of maximum 5% during inflation. 45 years age should be debt-free, where no debts should be on their own. This age is all about planning investments for children's higher education and marriage, so planning has to happen from the age of 30. It is inevitable that a husband and wife have a joint account of their spouse. Your property should be in the name of both husband and wife, as per legal act. After the husband's death, wife is inherited and then children, which helps to minimize the future problems. Everyone has to have an insurance in their life. Never take any investment decision from an emotional perspective. Mediclaim is a very important requirement, as, only on account of theft or fire, the bank can pay up to 1 lakh rupees as a return on the bank's locker. The rest of the loss is yours. So make sure your savings are never kept idle. You cannot avoid filing tax returns, as they can reduce tax by making the right investments. Whether your income is high or low, tax files make great advantages in future. The biggest advantage is the loan, which can lead you to the business. Make sure you always keep all the financial documents properly, and your family has all the regarding information, so that they can be used properly in your absence or in any trouble. Check your progress graph every 6 months. The reason? As with that graph, your investments, business decisions can be changed. Read. Think and read again. And now make a decision. As day by day, year after year, people themselves do not know how they live without planning or making decision. So, today, make proper planning for the bright and secure future considering on these factors.